Came into my life so small and brave, with eyes like stars and a heart to save. Tiny paws on the hardwood floor, I knew I'd never walk alone anymore. You chase the sunbeams, bark at the rain, cuddle close when I was in pain. Every wag, every look in your eyes, you were my reason, my sweet little light. Oh, Jessie girl, you're more than a pet. You're the best friend I'll never forget. Through every storm, through every year, you gave me joy, you wiped my tears. My heart beats with yours, near or far. Jessie, you are my northern star.